Welcome to the presentation of Faculty of Arts, Filozofska fakulteta. My name is Doris Sattler, and I'm responsible for study affairs at the Faculty of Arts. And today with me are two colleagues. One is Okerschler Andrea from first cycle, and Mia Hočevar from second cycle. I know that the decision on choosing your career path could be a difficult one. Therefore, we are here to give you as much information as possible about studying here at the Faculty of Arts in order to ease your decision-making process. At the beginning of my presentation, I will give you some information, general facts about Faculty of Arts. Then we will go through our different programs and courses that Faculty of Arts offers on all three cycles. And at the end, I will present some advantages at studying at the Faculty of Arts. So let's start. Faculty of Arts has just celebrated its 100th anniversary, and it's therefore the oldest faculty of the University of Ljubljana. It is also the largest university faculty of the University of Ljubljana, considering the number of disciplines and study programs. We namely cover 31 disciplines, and we have more than 70 study programs available to students. It is also the largest faculty considering the number of staff and the number of students. We have more than 700 employees, and we have around 4,000 students enrolled per academic year. Faculty of Arts is also the leading Slovenian faculty in the field of humanities and social sciences. Faculty of Arts has 21 departments covering 31 fields. The departments are Department of Archaeology, Department of Art History, Asian Studies, Classics, Comparative and General Linguistics, Comparative Literature and Literary Theory, Educational Sciences, English, Ethnology and Cultural Anthropology, Geography, German, Dutch and Swedish, History, Library and Information Science and Book Studies, Musicology, Philosophy, Psychology, Romance Languages and Literature, Slavics, Slovenian Studies, Sociology, and Department of Translation Studies. We also have a separate physical education division. As a leading faculty in the field of humanities, we are namely aware of the importance of the holistic development of the personality and the values offered by sports. We have a long tradition in sports at the Faculty of Arts, and we offer to students more than 20 different disciplines, sport disciplines that they can practice during their studies at the Faculty of Arts. The degree structure at our faculty is 3 + 2 + 4 years, meaning that the bachelor programs, the length is 3 years, the length of master program is 2 years, and of doctoral programs is 4 years. First cycle degree program have 180 ECTS credit points, and for academic year 2026-27 we offer 32 first cycle degree study programs. We offer single programs and single courses where you can study one discipline, and we also offer combined study programs and combined courses when you combine and study two different disciplines. We will have a look at a quick look at the first cycle degree programs. So we have available 32 undergraduate first cycle study program for this academic year. And these are single subject bachelor program archaeology. Then we have different courses within program Asian Studies, so Sinology, single and combined course, Japanese Studies, single and combined course, and also Korean, but not this academic year. It's offered every 2 years. Then we have a single subject bachelor program, Classical and Humanistic Studies. Then Comparative Linguistics combined bachelor program, Comparative Literature and Literary Theory, where we offer single and combined course. Then we have a combined bachelor program, Comparative Slavic Linguistics, a combined bachelor program, Czech Language and Literature. Then we have a single and a combined course of English Studies, a single and combined course, Ethnology and Cultural Anthropology, then combined bachelor program, French Studies, combined bachelor program, General Linguistics. Then we have a single and combined course of Geography, single and combined course, German Studies, Greek Language, Literature and Culture, combined bachelor program, Hispanic Studies, combined bachelor program, single and combined course, History, single and combined course, History of Art. Then we have combined bachelor program, Italian Language and Literature, Latin Language, Literature and Culture, combined bachelor program. Then we have a single and combined course of Librarianship and Information Science. Then we have a single and combined course, Musicology. We have a Pedagogy and Andragogy, single and combined bachelor program. Then we have a single and combined course of Philosophy, Portuguese Language and Literature, combined bachelor program, Psychology, single subject bachelor program, Russian Studies, combined bachelor program, Slovene Studies, single and combined course, combined bachelor program, Sociology, single subject bachelor program, Sociology of Culture, South Slavic Cultures, combined bachelor program, and different 3 single and 4 combined courses of translation. So quite a lot, as you can see. All of the programs, the presentation on at least of the cycle programs are available on our website. And if you have any questions, you can contact the Administrative Office of Undergraduate Programs. The contacts are also available on our website. On first cycle degree programs, there are no special exceptions or no limitation of combining the combined programs and courses. So you can combine a combined study program with a combined study program. You can combine study program with a combined study course, and you can also combine a combined study course with a combined study course. The only exception is the program translation. Within their courses, it is not possible to combine them together. But in general, for all others, it is possible. So we will go through some examples so you have a feeling how it looks. So, for example, Psychology, which is a single subject bachelor program, and Art History, which is a single course. So these are the programs that are single courses and programs and cannot be studied together with any other discipline. It cannot be combined. So in this case, you study one discipline. So, and if you want to combine, for example, you can combine a combined bachelor program with a combined bachelor program like French and Italian Language and Literature. And you can combine a combined bachelor program with a combined course, which is Pedagogy and Sinology, for example. And you combine 2 combined courses, which are, for example, History and Geography. So these are the possibility of combining our different combined courses on the first cycle degree programs. The deadlines to apply are the following. The call for enrollment for first cycle degree programs has already been published, and in the first application period, the deadlines for all categories of applicants are the same. So for Slovenian citizens, citizens of the EU and Slovenians abroad, as well as citizens of non-EU countries, is from February 18 to March 18, 2026. In the second application period, however, the deadlines are a bit different for different categories. So Slovenian citizens, citizens of the EU and Slovenians abroad is from 20 to 27 August. And for citizens of non-EU countries from 2nd to 3rd September. The second application period is only applicable for those who already applied in first application period and were not successful, for example, or are already holding a decision on recognition of education. So these are the deadlines. How to apply? You apply via the web portal EVŠ, where you provide also all your documentation that you need to provide. And you give one application in first and second application period with maximum 3 choices, and the order of option is important. So your first priority should be written on the first place. The applications will be managed by the University of Ljubljana, and they will also inform you on the outcome. However, if you will be accepted, you will be invited to enroll from the faculty. So from the Faculty of Art, if you apply and are accepted here. So regarding tuition, all non-EU citizens and national of countries with which there is no bilateral agreement have to pay the tuition fee. And currently bilateral agreements are signed with Bosnia and Herzegovina, North Macedonia, Serbia, Montenegro, and Kosovo. So before starting the presentation for second cycle degree programs, I would like to emphasize something which is sometimes an issue. If you finished your first cycle degree in one field and you want to change the field when studying on second cycle degree, you might need to do some differential exams. This should be, if this is the case for you, you have to contact one of the department of the left side where you would like to continue your studies in order to check whether you would need to do some more differential exams. Generally, if you continue on the same field, it is not necessary, but it's better to check with the department whether it is necessary to do some differential exams before. This is important to know because you have to do the differential exams before enrolling. So second cycle degree programs, the Faculty of Arts have 120 ECTS credit points and the length is 2 years. For this academic year, we have 41 second cycle degree programs available. Besides single study programs and combined study programs that were also presented in the first cycle degree programs, we offer additionally combined teacher education programs on courses and joint study program at the second cycle. We will go shortly. We have a lot of programs, but we will shortly go through them. The programs are available are Andragogy, Teacher Education Master Program, the Single Teacher and Combined Teacher Education course, then Archaeology, Single Subject Master's Program. Then we have Single Combined and Combined Teacher Education course, Japanese Studies and Sinology, Single and Combined course. Then we have Central European Studies, which is a joint degree. Then we have Classical and Humanistic Studies, Single Subject Master's Program, different courses within this program as well. Then we have Cognitive Science, which is a joint degree. I would like to emphasize here that this is not a program that is carried out by the Faculty of Arts, but we are a cooperating faculty. The faculty who is responsible for coordination and administration in this case is Faculty of Education. So then next program is Comparative Literature and Literary Theory. We have Single, Combined and Combined Teacher Education course available. Then we have Comparative Slavic Linguistics, Combined Master's Program. Then we have Creole, Cultural Differences and International Processes, which is also a joint degree and carried out as a joint cooperation of different faculties. Then we have a Combined Master's Program, Czech Language and Literature. Then we have digital linguistics, interdisciplinary joint degree. The program is carried out at the University of Ljubljana by Faculty of Arts, Faculty of Computer Science and Information Science, and Faculty of Social Sciences, and other university from abroad. Next program is single combined and single teacher education course and combined teacher education course of English studies. Then we have available single combined and combined teacher education course of ethnology and cultural anthropology. Then single combined and combined teacher education course French. Then single and combined course general linguistics. Then we have six single courses of geography, as well as single teacher education course in geography and combined teacher education course in geography as well. Then we have single teacher education course and combined teacher education course in German. Then we have a Greek language, literature, and culture combined master programs of three different combined two combined courses in one combined teacher education course. Then we have a single combined and combined teacher education course in Hispanic studies. Then we have 4 single courses of history and 1 combined course in history, as well as teacher education program in history, single teacher and combined teacher education course. Then we have history of art, single combined and combined teacher education course. Indo-European comparative linguistics combined master's program. Then we have interpreting single subject master's program, Italian combined master program, combined course and combined teacher education course. Then Latin language, literature and culture combined master's program, 2 courses within this program, combined and combined teacher education course. Then we have single course, combined course and combined teacher education course in library information and publishing studies. Then we have a single course, combined course and combined teacher education course in musicology. Then we have a single teacher and a combined teacher education course in pedagogy, program in pedagogy. Then we have a single course, combined teacher education course in philosophy. Then we have combined course and combined teacher education course in Polish studies, a single subject master's program in psychology. Then we have 2 courses of Russian studies, combined and combined teacher education course in Slovak studies. Then we have 6 courses of Slovene studies. Then we have a combined teacher education master's program in sociology, and single and combined course of sociology of culture, and 4 combined courses within South Slavic Studies program, and 3 single courses and 4 combined courses of translation, and also a joint degree in translation, Slovene, English, and German. So there are marked blue are all joint programs. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of study programs. I will now give you a bit of explanation how you can combine these programs. This might seem a bit complicated, but actually it is not. And if you will have any dilemma regarding this, we're available to explain everything. So the first 3 rules are actually the same as in the first cycle. So you can combine with combined study program with a combined study program, and you can combine a combined study program with a combined study course. And you can also combine a combined study course with combined study course. You can also combine a combined teacher education program and with a combined teacher education course. The only exception to this rule are these 2 programs, andragogy and pedagogy, which cannot be studied together. And also another rule is that you cannot combine teacher education programs with combined study programs. The exception to this rule are also andragogy and pedagogy that can be studied with both combined and combined teacher education programs. So these are the rules. If anything is not clear regarding this, you can contact us. We also have a table on our website where you can check which programs can be studied together. And another safe route is also that when you apply, you cannot select two programs that cannot be studied together. So actually, you can't do a mistake regarding this. The call for enrollment for second cycle degree program has not been published yet, so the deadlines I will about to explain are not yet official, are just planned. So in the first application period for Slovenian and EU citizens, the deadline is August 20. And again, one application, 3 options, and be careful with the order of options. And for non-EU citizens and Slovenian without Slovenian citizens, the deadline is July 4th. And it is also, again, the order of options is important. So if in the second application period, where students can apply only to available places that were not occupied in the first application period, the deadline will be 20 September. You apply and provide all the documentation via the web portal EVŠ. After finishing the second cycle degree program, it is possible to continue your studies in the third cycle degree program. The length are 4 years, and they have 240 ECTS credit points. We have available interdisciplinary doctoral study program in humanities and social sciences, which is carried out together with Faculty of Social Sciences, Faculty of Social Work, Faculty of Theology, Academy of Fine Arts and Design, Academy of Music, and Academy for Theatre, Radio, and Film and Television. And Faculty of Arts also cooperates with 2 other doctoral programs in environmental protection and in statistics. Also, all the information on doctoral study programs is available on our website. The same goes for the contacts of Administrative Office for Doctoral Programs. I will give some more information about the language. The language of instruction is Slovene, except, of course, in the language departments where the language studies is also the language of instruction. However, in both cycles, there are some programs that require the knowledge of Slovene before enrollment. So you have to provide a certificate of your knowledge of Slovene. In the first cycle, these programs are psychology, comparative literature and literary theory, and Slovene studies, both single and combined course. And in the second cycle, these programs are again psychology, Slovene studies, all courses of Slovene studies, of course, and pedagogy, single and combined teacher education master's program. I would like to emphasize that it is important to know that even if knowledge of Slovene is not one of the conditions to apply for an enrollment, it is strongly recommended to have some knowledge of Slovene to be able to follow the lectures. It is, however, also important that you know that you have the possibility to enroll in Leto Plus, where you can learn Slovene after your enrollment at the Faculty of Arts. In this course, I hope you have been already explained by the presentation at University of Ljubljana that this is possible, but if you have any question, you can also send the questions to us, and we will explain what are the possibilities for you to learn Slovene when enrolling at the Faculty of Arts. To ensure the student feels supported from the very beginning of studies, we develop comprehensive and successful tutoring systems at our faculty. We have more than 150 active tutors at the Faculty of Arts, and every freshman is assigned a tutor to make inclusion into faculty easier, more simple and friendly. So the aim of the tutoring system is to offer some organized help to students to solving their general or some specific problems if they have special needs and so on. And also to strengthen the contact between students and professors and the faculty, of course, and contribute to better student mobility and in general higher quality of studies at the Faculty of Arts. Our faculty is proud to offer an extensive academic library designed to support research and independent learning. The Central Humanities Library is the largest among the libraries at University of Ljubljana and the fifth largest library in Slovenia. It is the main research library of the University of Ljubljana in the field of humanities. It comprises of 18 departmental libraries and 16 are at the Faculty of Arts and 2 are dislocated. The library collection counts approximately 800,000 units and keeps exceptional special collections, books, maps, music, and so on. We also have a scientific research institute which was established in order to coordinate scientific research, which is a pillar of the development of the faculty. The Scientific Research Institute manages more than 100 projects per year. It brings together about 450 researchers, organizes many scientific meetings and symposiums, and it is also a partner in the organization and presentation of the results of scientific work. It also has been a co-publisher and co-financer of a number of publications through the years. So for the end of my presentation, I would just like to summarize some advantages of studying at the Faculty of Arts. As you could see during my presentation, it is a large and diverse faculty with 21 departments. It has a long, well-established tradition of excellence in teaching and research. It has a wide variety of degree programs and courses that really gives every student a great opportunity to customize their studies to different passions they have. The variety of academic disciplines and the presence of different sources of knowledge at the same location facilitate and encourage an interdisciplinary approach, which is every day more important. It offers a comprehensive support to students throughout their studies with their tutoring system. Has a long tradition in sports, enabling students to choose and practice regularly 20 different sports disciplines. It has a large library at a hand reach for students. And last but not least, we really want for each student to fulfill their potential and make the most of their strengths. I would like to thank you for your attention during this presentation. And we will now move to questions and answers. I hope we will be able to answer all your questions during this presentation, but if not, I will, please do not hesitate to send us your question also to this email addresses, or you can also call our administrative office and we will help you and give you all the information you might need. I will just go to check the questions. Just a second. Okay, I have done it. How much is the annual tuition fee for students coming from Serbia? So, as I mentioned just a second, the tuition fee for a study program is 4,300 for the academic year 2026-27, 3,400. But as I mentioned, the Serbia, we have a bilateral agreement with Serbia, so the students from Serbia don't pay the tuition fee if they don't have the same level of education they're applying to. So generally, they don't pay the tuition fee. So the next question, if we combine two bachelor's program, what degree title would have we on the diploma after graduation? So if you combine two bachelor's program, you will have to, you study two disciplines, and the both in the disciplines are mentioned on your diploma. So if you write, for example, that you studied geography and history, for example, at the second level, you will be a professor of geography and history, for example. I hope that I explained enough, but if not, if you would like to know what will be your title, you have to write your chosen discipline, so we can tell you. So, will students from Serbia have a Slovenian language course as part of the faculty? I'm not sure whether I understand this question. So, as I mentioned, the courses are generally in Slovene, but as part of the
Doris, I think that they are asking something about Leto Plus, probably.
Okay,
yes.
yeah. I mean, I wanted to say that Slovenia. First that I can understand this question is whether Slovenian language will be a part of the program. No, you will not have some lectures in Slovenian if you study, for example, English, but you can apply Leto Plus if you want to learn Slovene when you enroll at some chosen program. For example, you chose that you want to study history and you are accepted, and after being accepted and enroll at the faculty, you can apply to learn Slovene at Leto Plus. Does faculty help connect students with companies for internships? I wouldn't. It is possible. I mean, there are, for example, departments have information on companies that need students for certain purposes. So this cooperation is, but it's not like formal one. Abi vi Mija še kaj dodala mogoče?
No, I think that it's just like Doris said. I mean, every study program on the master studies has some kind of practice, but this is not like internship in the way that, I don't know, some other European countries or US has. So sometimes some of departments are in contact with some of the prominent firms in the Slovenia, and they can know if there is a need for internship. But this is not formally this is not a formal thing, like Doris said. So it is possible, but it's
not like
yes.
very, very formal, but it is all the time it's going on. So the departments have links with companies, or they are cooperating, but it's not like a part of the program that you have this cooperation. But they are cooperating and also the professors give this information to students. They invite them if there is an opportunity and so on.
Yes, but because also programs I mean, the practical part is a part of the student program, but it's not paid, it's just a part of the program. So if you are thinking about internships like paid internships, this is not formally organized.
Is there a student dorm close to the faculty? Yes, of course, there is. There is a student dorm around 1.5 km from Faculty of Arts. And there are others a little more distance, like 3-4 kilometers. There are different student dorms in Ljubljana, so there are. Ja, to je zdaj konec, ja.
A smo konc?
Mislim, da.